what a body tick. Beg you put your body pa me body you so quick. Me have to rough it up, but me nah damage it. Me just pray to God so me can manage it.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is your girl, Impress Diva, AK Realness for you. This will be a special treat that I'm giving you guys because it was given to me. Shout out to Padre off of Second Life viewer. Anybody that uses Second Life viewer, go ahead and check him out. He does great things on the grid as far as arts and performing arts, and he has helped me as well. He has a YouTube page, but unfortunately I don't remember the page, sorry, but I will be retrieving that later, and I will be putting that in the link below sooner or later, as soon as I catch up to that very busy guy. This is a software that we're going to be using to edit and make videos. So if those that are interested, you know that the pandemic is hitting, and you know it has got a lot of us, and we're trying to start our own businesses and things like that. So I'm very on board with those type of things, those type of visions, the type of movement. So why not help out my fellow, you know, peer, pal, whoever I may reach out with a special video for you. And also, if you took a look at my intro, shout out to my girl Hype J, big up yourself. Her channel is The Hype Zone. If you are interested in getting your intros done, just go hit her up for business inquiries only. And you can also subscribe and like this video before we start. And you do see my social media platforms, the Snapchat and the Instagram. So let's get right into it.
Walk you through this video editor. It is simple. It's so simple.
So let me just excuse this doggy. Let's continue.
And the first option says place clip on sequence.
Click that?
Okay. Yes. It goes down to a bar and it extends it. It has two parts, comes in two parts.
Yeah.
The top part is the video. Second part is the audio. Alright. If you ever wanted to take the sound completely off, you can do it in two ways. You see where it says FX? And then next to it has a speaker. That speaker is your mute. You can click on it and it says clip volume. Okay, so you can move that bar left or right whenever, you know what I'm saying, if you want the sound to be low or high.
And note that at the bottom of this it says unlink. If you want to edit your videos without having the background, like say you want to add your own audio and you don't want to mess up your video, you can always unlink it first before you do the actual editing of in the sequences. As you can see, this is where you're going to always do your editing, is right here. Video files, the sequence preview. That's where you're going to preview what you're doing. You can't really edit there. I advise you to edit in the clip preview. Whenever you are editing, hard editing, you do that. But before you do that, unlink the audio from the video first. And we shall continue.
Okay. Is the next one next to it the one that look like a chain? Could I like separate the clip? Like say if I want some pieces of my voice there and some not? Okay.
Oh wait. No. Sorry. Say that one more time.
The third icon that looks like a chain. It says unlinked sound clip from video clip.
Right.
Is that how I can separate the sound? Like say some of the parts I want, like say if I wanted to take out the parts where your dog is barking, but I want to keep the rest. Because Is that how I edit that?
No.
Oh, okay.
I understand what you mean, like separate the dog barking from our voices. No. I no. I think there's other editors that you might be able to single out different sounds in the recording, but I haven't tried it yet. I think those are the ones, the expensive ones. Yeah. Let's say Zoom. You said a little black bar above the bottom?
Yeah, it says Zoom. Yeah.
Okay. You see that little gray thing that you can slide your slider? Okay, you can either click next to it, or you can actually drag it. Put your left click on it and drag it over. What it does is it takes your clip and it expands it so that way you can see the wave bars on your audio a lot better. The gaps between the audio.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I see that it stretched out the video too, so there's parts in between and stuff that you put.
So when you have the video and the audio still linked together, it will stretch both out, the video and the audio. But like I explained earlier, if you unlink it, it will just stretch out whatever track the clip that you're using, whether it be the audio you're trying to edit or the video you're trying to edit. Keep that in mind. Let's continue.
Like little, effects or things there?
Yes.
Transformations? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
This thing does a whole hell of a lot more than what I use when it comes down to visual effects, sound effects, all that shit. It is this, for it being so cheap. Right now you're using the free version, I think, but if you went and bought it, you know what I'm saying? All it does is just, it keeps them from asking you over that Zoom, and you stretch out the whole clip as is. Then you go to the chain to unlink the audio from the video, and you just left click, hold down your left click, and move the audio left to right to see the video. And then let's see. You see the big window? You see the big window that has.
Did you see that I did that? The difference is you can see the separate the black pattern from the gray pattern, the audio from the video. Now, if I didn't unlink that like I just did right there, it would have moved the whole thing as you've seen earlier.
Okay. And you see the play button?
Yeah.
Okay. All this shit is simple. And you look over to the right, you see split.
You said, look over to the right and see split? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I see that.
Oh, that shit's simple. I mean, it's very simple shit. Okay.
Yeah, I just needed a direction to it. Because it's pretty much like how I edited in Movie Maker.
Movie Maker.
We can move on.
You look for free software.
I've been on the hunt for 5 years now for that. And I thought I found one, and that's why I got to redo one of my videos.
This is, if you want to use this just like you did on Movie Maker, it is done. It's a done deal. Except for you basically can right click and have the option to automatically move something around.
Right.
But as far as the transitions go, transition. Let's say make do. Okay, you see what the numbers are above the video? Like 13 seconds, 14 seconds, 15 seconds, things like that.
No. Oh, yeah, on the timeline.
Okay, that is where when you click on it, you see a red bar appear.
Yeah.
That red bar will let you know where you are on the video.
Okay.
So I would say um, click anywhere on the like click somewhere close to the beginning.
Okay.
And get the red bar there, and go to split.
Split.
Yeah, and then press split.
Do I split all tracks or start position?
When you
each part of the videos and the audio sound, the whole background of every one of them is black now.
Okay,
Whereas before it was gray in between them.
Okay, let's do this. Take your cursor, go up to the top, to where the white bar is, where it says Video Pad Professional.
Video.
Very top.
Okay.
And then you see the arrow that's pointing left?
Yeah.
And is it blue?
Yeah, undo. I clicked it.
Alright,
that's the fastest way to undo your last action. Okay.
Alright, now, this time, go to your, let's see.
So I just click that once, right? Where it's still split. Okay.
Yeah. Alright, when you come back down, you see the big box where your video is? It should have a picture of your video somewhere. Right there in the middle.
Yeah. The sequence.
Okay. Yeah. And you see where the play button is?
Uh-huh.
Alright, the button to the left to it is like a little single arrow.
Yeah.
That's previous frame.
Yeah, it's not letting me do that. It's shaded off.
Cool.
Oh, okay.
That's cool. What that is let me like this. So you're to the far left of your video, right?
Mm-hmm.
Of your clip.
Yes.
Come over to at least the first second or the second of the video. And then left click.
Okay.
Okay, your red bar up here.
Yeah.
Okay, now go over to split and click it once.
Go over to where?
Split, the button that says split.
Uh-huh.
Click it once.
Okay.
That's the same thing as cut.
Okay. Yeah, split.
Alright, now when you look at the timeline.
Oh shoot, I done crashed.
We had a little technical difficulties. Let's continue.
I forgot that I was trying. I forgot that I was trying to record something.
Let me stop playing with y'all.
Step by step, so I forgot. I forgot to re-record again. Huh?
No, we can go back through it. It's easy. Just hit your record button.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, hit the record. Okay, yeah.
On your OBS.
Okay, got it. Yeah. We're back.
Okay. Now, your red bar, I don't know what they call this, but the red bar, no matter where it's at, you can press the split button, and it's going to cut that video clip.
Oh, go back to the X when I'm doing that, or no?
No.
Just
No.
click on the red thing.
Yeah.
And then which one am I clicking?
Go over to the button that says split. Press split, and it's going to cut another section.
Split all?
Yes.
Okay.
Whenever you hit the split button, it's going to cut your audio at the same time. So now you should have two sections. Actually, it should be three sections. 1, 2, 3. A section to the far left, you should have a section in the middle, and you should have a section to the far right. Okay. Basically 3 clips now.
Okay.
Do you see the box with the X in it wherever you that split?
No, I don't see another X. I just see the original one that I have.
Okay, that's good. Okay, click on the original one to drop down the transitions menu.
click it?
Yeah, left click.
Wait.
Your red bar cannot be in the middle of that. You gotta move your red bar if it is.
No, it's not.
Okay.
But okay.
And you just gotta work your cursor in this.
Okay, so what do I do with the other clip that I just split?
No, don't worry about that part yet.
Okay.
But did you get the transitions window to drop down?
Yeah.
Okay. Just for your video's sake, there's your transitions. That's how you get your transitions. 30-second. You gotta click on that box every time. So that way I can, or
I didn't see it.
20-30 second. But you didn't see transitions. I can,
no.
walk you through. Okay. On that box with the X, it should say add video.
Wait, you said on what box?
And that will include our first tutorial. Apologize, we had some technical difficulties. He had crashed. But shout out to Padre. Thank you so much for your help. And again, I will get his YouTube page later on and all of his social medias that he would allow me to share with you. We all out here trying to help each other, uplift each other, and to make an American dream. This your girl, Empress Diva. I'm out. Y'all have a good day.